Yo guys, Mining Major back here again with another vid, or Damaging Overlord. And today I'm here with my boy Savage Saber, aka Dab. Check out the first few vids. Oh good god, it's the puker!
Yeah,
the puker!
the puker.
Run to the front / sides. Lol, Dab just got dabbed on!
Dab.
As
Make sure to check out my channel, James Myers, capital J and a capital M, space. Ow.
So I actually kind of like these soundtracks, they're somewhat interesting. Spooky, scary skeletons send shivers down your spine. Error. What the? Corona moved! He's a player! He's a player!
No, he's not. The chat box isn't blowing up in his chat.
Get to the back, get to the back! Get to the back! Everybody but the two of us died! Damn!
I always forget about that one. I'm like, what the heck is that? Yeah, here it is.
Who? Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Damn.
Do you have a webcam on? Oh yeah, that was fun. Ben, do you have a webcam?
Oh damn. No, actually I don't. Oh hi. Hi Savage Saber. We were stuck together.
Not anymore. Oh, that.
We've been turdified. I guess that means the two of us are just plain turds. Boy.
This is realistic. This is very. And he's eating me again. He's eating food. He's eating a turd. That is very disgusting. You will eat anything, won't you?
Run inside!
Oh no.
Yo Savage, what's up?
I'm still brown. So. I'll get you. Right? What does that mean?
I'm a gorilla. But seriously, look at this. I'm a gorilla. It's because I ate the spinach.
Spinach? Where?
The hell?
Oh god, no, not this one. I hate this one.
I just glitched out the bottom of the map.
No.
I am the one, the only gorilla. Hey Savage, what's up?
Hello. Wait, I wonder if I can see the...
Yeah, the spaceship that's toying with the other elevator. Dude, look at this. I am a tower golem now. Look, I'm a tower golem.
Oh my god.
Yo. What do you think? Should I let the others know that we're recording? Screw it. Let's not. Don't. I want it to be a surprise.
I'm not recording.
Don't mess.
I'm not recording.
Why would you do this to me, Dab? Oh, it's the back of the elevator.
If you are hearing this right now,
Stay in the front.
it seems that the elevator has broke.
Because that's good.
Please
English.
remain calm and stay away from the back wall. The elevator will be back in service shortly.
Jangel would get it. Jangel's gonna die. Jangel's gonna die.
I see you.
Nope, Boombox. Boombox or Jangel. Nope, Jangel got it. He did.
Oh, nice.
Goodbye, Jangel. We missed you, Jangel. What the hell?
What?
I think I died.
You died?
Nope, I am still a poopy gorilla. Like, seriously, look at me. I look like a poopy tower golem right now.
What is this chat? I get yo so. Y-O.
Yo.
Yo, yeah. I am a... Oh, God.
LOL.
Jurassic Park, stay in the back, stay at the back.
The sides. The sides in your safe.
Right, okay. Back side corner. Back corner.
Angel. I'm glitching again. You're seeing that?
Oh, it's,
It walked off to the side. What the heck? It teleported.
you got no head.
It teleported.
Invisible players on. No. Off. Or turn invisible
What?
players off. If you go to the coin right there. Oh, never mind.
Dude, when you turn invisible players on, it just shows their head, their hats, and their gears. Look at that. That's all I'm seeing.
My God.
Which means since I'm bald...
Well, what have we here?
Oh, stay to the side.
Oh, I need this. I actually need this.
Understand.
Stay to the side.
So you're the ones they're talking about.
Stay to the side. Stay to the side.
No!
Let's spin the
I must
wheel
get this.
Beside your fate.
It's always that wheel.
What's your fate? Boogie knows. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's do it.
Yeet. Oh, it's a bunch of arrows. Which I never touched, so I'm alive.
Yeah. Ha.
What do you think? Should I get a big head? Lol.
No. You already have big enough head. And a bigger mouth.
And that's my buddy Savage Saber for ya. Come on, man. High five for that one. Quit hitting yourself. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
No, I love the piano.
Come to talk with you again. People are talking without speaking.
Dude, you can't even play.
They're talking without hearing. And I don't care whichever one's gonna die. They'll all die. Cause I don't give a dang.
Suicide. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
What the heck is this? You can buy something to enlarge yourself.
I don't want to make myself stick out too much.
How about a cookie?
What do the cookies do?
Wouldn't you like to know? What's the big cheese?
Big cheese, come on. I want to eat you. Cheese on my head.
No, that's a wig. Big Cheese, also sometimes known as Big Wig in some other games.
Yes.
LOL. LOL. How are you stuck in another wall? What the hell, dude?
Oh my god, I thought the elevator went dark.
It's peanut butter jelly time.
Kill me now! Kill me now! I'm gonna kill myself! Comment down in the comment section below if you wish to kill yourself because of this. This is the hellhole.
So, what?
Somebody ate the cookie.
Who's this?
Oh, somebody's going big.
Big head, oh. Big head, SpongeBob. What's SpongeBob have to do with anything? Look in the chat, last chat, SpongeBob.
The laugh.
Is this?
Get to the sides, get to the sides. Get on the rails. It's the only way to live. No, the big cheese, the skeleton, and Corona. What the heck is the meaning of this? Corona, Savage Saber, and I, the poop column. Yes, I'm a poop column. So what?
It's only because.
Scratch it. I am big column of poop with two tiny little eyes. Besides, he's pretty chilled by the looks of it. It's the name of the head. The face I have. It's the name of it. The hell? Okay, somebody just committed suicide again. Oh, I know this one. Look away. Look away. Look away. It's rings.
Anyways, what screen recorder do you have?
I don't know. Oh no, it's rings. Whatever will we do? LOL. LOL, I say. LOL. Jangel and Savage, just... People are glitching.
I'm not glitching. Which elevator are you in? Are you? Oh, wait, here.
I'm in the same elevator as you, dude.
And how am I not...
There we go.
Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cats, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance.
Error.
Bounce.
Okay, it's good. Kill the poop column. LOL. Kill the poop. 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 Kill the poop Gonna Don't Don't